What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Hot Action Fishing and Fab. My name's Curtis and this is my channel. Well, we're going to be doing a quick little unboxing video, hopefully it's quick, of my new welder I bought. I bought a EVERLAST 250EX. Yeah, here's the machine. I bought the machine. I bought the water cooler because I want to have a 100% duty cycle. I use a Vulcan Pro TIG at home right now in this little shop, and it does what it needs to do. But for me, for what I want to get going here, I need to be able to not have to stop because, you know, time is money. And with only a 25% duty cycle on the Vulcan, I got to stop and wait and, you know, to not blow the machine up. So this machine here with the water cooler setup and the size 18 torch is 100% duty cycle, so that's why I went with it. It's a great price point. I think out the door, shipped to my doorstep, I paid $2,100. I think it was $2,200, something like that. Like I said, for the machine, capable up to 250 amps. With the water cooler, makes it a 100% duty cycle. Without the water cooler, it's a 60% duty cycle. I'm pretty sure I might be getting that wrong, but you can go to EVERLAST's website. But so far, I haven't opened the machine yet to see it. I got 4 friends actually that have EVERLAST machines and they love them. So I looked at their website, seen a machine that met my my criteria and the price point, and that's the reason why I went with them. And I'm very happy with what I did, or that I did. I called them before I ordered the machine to verify if the machine came with a water-cooled torch or if it came with an air-cooled torch. They said that it did not come with a water-cooled torch, came with the air-cooled torch. So I paid the extra money to have the water-cooled torch sent with the machine, which was like an extra like $200 and something for just the water-cooled torch that I wanted. Well, what was pretty awesome, and a lot of respect to EVERLAST for this, they actually refunded me I think like $180 or something like that. They kept the air-cooled torch and replaced it, that air-cooled torch, with the water-cooled torch that I ordered. They called me and asked if I wanted to do that, which I thought that was super, super cool. So they were able to save me a couple bucks. And like I said, mad respect to EVERLAST. Thank you guys very much. And then, well, the lady that called me, she said, "Oh, that shipped. It should be there Wednesday." I was like, "Oh, it's my birthday's Wednesday, September 22nd." Well, they put a little happy birthday to Curtis for my EVERLAST on both my machines, so I'm pretty happy by that. So let's open this thing up and check it out. Got my doll up, my very dull knife. But this is the machine, I'm pretty sure, because that says water cooler on it. So here's the machine. Here is the booklet for it, and a very nice booklet. It's got a hard plastic binding, plastic cover over it. This is the operator's manual. We'll get into, probably look at that a little bit. Looks like I need to get a plug for it, which is okay. I think I have one already, an extra one. But let's open this thing up. It definitely is boxed well, and they shipped it UPS, and the boxes were in immaculate shape. No, there's one little ding in the top of the box, but other than that, they did a great job getting it to my house without hurting it. So let's open this box, pull this box out, slide the water cooler to the side. Here is all the goodies. There's some parts for the machine that I'm going to install. Here's a pedal. It's kind of like a Lincoln style pedal rather than a Miller style pedal. Here's the regulator, and this is the kind of regulator that I like. So I'm glad that they send it with a good flow meter style regulator. So got the little flow meter on top. It's really easy just to pop your head up and look at it and make sure you're getting the right gas that you're looking for. Here's the kit for the torch. Here's the upgraded torch that I wanted. So boom, that's pretty cool. It comes with like the torch cover It's like a blue jean material, so it looks pretty sweet, a little different. This is the bigger torch. This is the size 18 torch. So like I said, I wanted to be able to have this is all the way good up to 350 amps, but it's 100% duty cycle at 250 amps. So that's why I went with this torch. Here's my stick lead, but I'll probably never use it. Here's my TIG button, so you can zip tie that to the back of the torch, and you're able to just run the your amps off of this little button. More parts for the old machine. I'm gonna be putting those on real soon. Like I said, if somebody doesn't know what style Lincoln pedals run, this is the style pedal that Lincolns run, where it doesn't have, like Millers are a little bit bigger and they have the little the lip on the back that captures the heel of your foot. I like Miller pedals a lot more, but I use a Lincoln pedal at work now, and it does what it needs to do. Like I said, I just like being able to just bang my foot on it, capture that little lip, and then just go for it. But it's a nice torch, or a nice pedal. It feels, it's a heavy duty pedal, so it'll be a good pedal. Here's the gas line for the old Oregon. Here's my ground clamp. Pretty nice ground clamp, nice and tight. Get rid of that. There's the button, like I said. Here's some bolts. I'm assuming that's what bolts that on. But here's the old bread and butter. Here's where all the money went. Here's the machine. I'm gonna try to pick this thing right out of here, but we'll see. Think about this whole unboxing. What was the best way to go about it? Never done one before, so hopefully you guys are enjoying it. But boom, here's the machine. A 250 EX. Now there's an EX, which is what I got, and then an EXT. The reason why I went with the EX, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's more analog than digital. Like my friends have the 250 EXT. Two of my friends have the 250 EXT, and all it is, it just has a bigger digital display, and you can select all your stuff through the digital display, which is an extra like $600. This is the same exact machine. It's just analog. You just, instead of going into your display and changing stuff, you have all these little knobbies that you can change and do what you need to do with it. So I'm gonna have to get this thing wired up, and we'll get this thing put together. But for the most part, I just wanted to do an unboxing on this, and yeah, pretty sweet machine. I like it. Good looking machine, that's for sure. I don't know if I already said, but it's my favorite color, the green. So that helps out a lot, and then the price point is amazing for these machines. Let's open this here water cooler up really quick. This machine, it's got a 220 input in the back for the water cooler, so you can just plug your water cooler right into the back of this machine right here, and when you turn your machine on, it'll automatically kick the water cooler on for you. You don't have to worry about having extra cords run to your machine in order to run the water cooler. It just runs for you. Turns on for you. So good little consumable pack. I mean, it's just the normal stuff, nothing crazy. But yeah, so let's open up this here water cooler. Man, I need to hold this knife. Pull those off. Cut some tape. Either no knife damn near barely can't cut the dang tape. It's so dull. And here is the water cooler. This is the EVERLAST Power Cool 300. This is the cheapest water cooler that they got that's compatible with this machine. They make another water cooler that is made for this machine and a couple other ones that they actually bolt together. They become actually kind of interlock and become one. I didn't really care to do that. I'm going to build my own welder cart for this machine anyways, so I'm not really worried about that. So I don't really care if they link together. But here is the water cooler, much lighter than the machine itself, until I put my 2 gallons of coolant in it, then it'll become heavy. But yeah, here's the water cooler. It's got the little special connector that connects into the back of the machine. And yeah, this is where we're at. It's here. Got enough freaking boxes back there now. But yeah, there's the water cooler. Once again, it's my favorite color. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to probably leave off on the video here. You know, I kind of show you guys the machine. It's pretty freaking sweet. Like I said, it's a great price point. It's a good machine, especially when you can get 100% duty cycle with AC. You know, 250 amps. That's, you know, that's cooking. That's plenty for what I want to do. Welding wise, I can do all the, you know, schedule 40 pipe, 3/16 wall pipe, 1/8 wall pipe, tube. Sorry, 3/16 wall tube and 1/8 wall tube. For building the T-tops and all that stuff. But yeah, so now I'm going to go and move on to the next video. I'm probably going to end this video here, so if you guys, you know, like what you see, I'm kind of rambling. This is my first video. Hopefully I can get better at these things. But I'm going to do a 3-year review on this Vulcan TIG machine. I've loved the machine, so I'm going to do a review on that machine. And I'm going to build a welding cart for this machine, and then I can get it set up and weld with this machine for you guys, so I can give you guys my opinion on the machine welding. So yep, thank you again, subscribe, have a wonderful one.